Both Ukraine and Russia are exporters of fertilizer, and if you garden, have a lawn or farm, get ready to pay up as prices go up. Craig Andrus is here to explain tonight. Craig?
Yeah, Emily, farmers paying 3 times what they were a year ago. Some are wondering if they'll plant soybeans this year, and prices for your lawn fertilizer, get ready, it's going up. Garden stores like Brady Nursery stocking what they can, but the cost is on the move.
It's been amazing this year. I mean, since July, I've had 7 price increases on fertilizer.
Kathy says a lot of what they sell has fertilizer in it, from products to trees they plant in their landscaping business, and they try to hold the line on prices to be competitive.
Now you can absorb some of it, but
some out on the family farm, meanwhile, wonder if they'll even bother to plant soybeans this year with fertilizer 3 times what it was last year.
It pencils out, but it doesn't pencil out if you put on fertilizer.
Doing the math, Larry Gehring wonders about planting soybeans this year, and agriculture analysts say probably not going to get better this spring, for prices could get worse.
Fertilizer is vitally important to the plant and to the return on investment.
So if you're putting it on your lawn or farming it out, the question over price remains a big concern.
As of last week, they had dropped the price of nitrogen a little bit, but that after this Ukraine thing, now I don't know. Is it going to go back up?
By the way, fertilizer companies have had an increase in regulation, insurance, labor, and of course transportation costs also. That's making a tight supply price even worse. Here for you, Craig Andrus, KSN News 3.